Demba. Last time ngeje internet ro gali e possible no interview le ni mando le ka fa ke ba chat jete. Mele gara ako fa fundraising ke. Ya ko do ni receive la ba.
No, ma received
Ya jele receive ablo kono.
2000.
2000. For 2000 onya ko nyadi.
2000 on ndala ako kunza mdanga di fama.
Ako ta di fama. So
Ako banim parang ako din na doko.
ya continue do ko.
Yeah.
So I fundraising ko fo el fama fundraising ko fo.
No, man na ofonye.
Amo fo.
No.
Ya kalam dara comme ça ba fundraising ke internet ro kono pour ka ko do ni dila pour ke ma koy.
No, I have all that. I will put it some video na ke internet or gonna put it some map.
Abari na ma nyomoy.
No.
Aman number dira pour ya call mun.
Number na bar mo da call aman na.
Han bian mi call ni man communicate.
No.
Alto fana man number dira na alba diam la mun.
No, man pa man number dia.
So ane me fama call.
No, na ma call. The senior can na call last time very I interview one.
I interview.
Yeah.
But han sal mamoy.
No.
Okay. So saya tol banyadi de saya tol ite mina jo interview to.
No one na fendi jeda.
No na fenje je.
No.
Han saya ite bela do ko. Ya lo na comme ça ba interview ma kalam ma lon comme ça han saya ba interview ke e ba donner fundraising ke internet ko no. E mo kalam ta. Okay. Demba is right now in my compound working for me, cleaning my grasses here. You can see he was the one doing all of these things in my compound to clean the grasses and all of those things. That's Demba's Huskart standing right here, hardworking boy. But he said that the interview that they done to him last time, he was asked to pay him $2,000, I think, and you can hear it from Demba himself. And since then, he never hear from this man. So, and I'm seeing that they're making fundraising for him up to $100,000 here, and no communication, no nothing. So I don't think that is right. At least whenever you're doing something for the person, you have to communicate with them. You have to consider the person consent on all of that before making anything. And when you are making fundraising, you have to communicate with the people to tell them that this is my plan for you people and everything. But nothing. And the boy doesn't even know that they are making that fundraising for him. So I want everybody to know that I'm gonna send this thing to the man himself to tell him to try to communicate with the family of the boy, because the boy is a hardworking boy and he's working. He's constantly here in my compound here. He's one of the hardworking little boys that I see in the estate here that come in every time collecting rubbish and all of those things with his horse cart. And it's not right to use his name and making fundraising and making money out of him without his consent, without his notice. That's bad. So from there on, I will forward it to the man himself to know that. Thank you, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ngombe o mo nyolal ko di. So janin taka diam. Message dandan la benno palo kono dembala kuoto. Wallahi nena malon ko kam mo magoy problem wala mo wala ika mo jola priya magoy. Well nim boyo because ndata fala ya nyim mano wala he's not a man. He's just a little boy stuck in big body. So nyimboyo atele demba malam fali I remember atele message o kenung one of the posts ngamin post nin demba I message o keje mbe I read no la message o fele santo jam kodi ako the boy never received the money. He said he only 2,000 from the Keba Chad Jade to interview him, and the number he gave him when his father tried to call Keba, they couldn't reach him. Since then, he never heard from him. Omala message all the comment section ogon kodi. Another comment do fanang ke. But what I mean ke, I dembala picture ole post. Ngamira nying the same day la fang I demba natal. Lungo min na demba video. Ako the boy is right now here. Fala fa with me la kala jebang. Angale fo man correct but one dem problem odi jam kodi. Omu kan kenzen walde. Mbina mbe message dandan tandila la kodi. Nda be fo kala je dembala kuoto. Dembala kuoto, you guys are just seeing the money kodi. because nga kodi race nga fole tili saba dambam pet biri nyim project ko start bile keta nani njangoti. And this guy mbe I was on my break ngo let me even check his profile ndara tara yarfang a message o kinanne aninyin video so ngo message o fanan check kodi al peasant so demanding nyin nyin video atabe mela la demanding. Assalamu alaikum brother, I'm Modu Lamin Kamara from TAF. I saw you post like a kodi Demba on Facebook for donation, which I was happy about. Inja akumfasikum, which I was happy about. After him beg for lemon beg. He's a nice boy. He's always in my compound in Bruford Tough. If that is the case, itabe Demba bulaka minna ndete Demba bulala wala. Nte Demba so $2,000 is lale lungo minna na interview ke. Ofanga manke ko nga sole because of the interview. No, I gave it to him. Video teta jibe. Nga di famala. But kana doku stop. Continue. Because niyanyin samba suwa ko neman doku wake. Nyimbe bannala. Abe kela ko bi nyanda kami sote yole soto. Aliyadamo. But niyanyin landi. E doku wafananke. Asa kujama solve no. Abebe video phone kono jele. So Demba ke katerete la side. Ite enene mine ke Demba. Itabe Demba bulaka minna. Ikafa damen fomu ila kordati. Han ayatare la kordalem. I entered doubtle. Not reta la fanamu is fine. Bro, just a token of katandila ko hani Demba million unde wala resai. Nte tala malaji. Iba kordamin ko ne kwetel tam. Lafte ye wala wafin tema. Na kaja sense puru nga sable. Yamoy. Because through the video I saw you are trying to brag about the compound. If intele bande kweka Dembala sareto wala fintinde bot morwe bo wala fango tandi kam foita lam fang I don't know. So ela korda na ka wafi let me know. I will buy it not in mortgage fang. I will buy it cash and carry. Yamoy. It even doubts me not real tam kordadi. So wala message o fonga aman jaring o fonga beried. So Demba nga message wal mil soto Demba la kuoto mbadu nga tandala mo ya saferoge tubabo la fonga mati aga lafta Demba sponsor la samburo nda lafta ye mi mfonye ndanya ndaka Demba fama ko le every transaction hello nyina soto fo Demba fongo nda mantara Demba bilem ka nyindulado. No, maybe as a blame no wala manya ka blame, but I have only one heart for the boy to help him. That is my goal. Ni manke na mako ero followed. Nga mulla mako ero kamana ngo na last mako ero nga musin ni ngale mako yi nene maje nene naman diam hanala natalo nene maje mole na tankan Alpha Bunyari mba Gambian na lonna kende ba Imam kende ba ako ibe mako eri nyinolla mol milia lonko jiko bela kodo purisa mako eri keno sa idol fanan na miraloro ala na tanda fanan bulo mol la kono jiko kan nse min dino je nga contribute bari ay min fonye wala nyinde muso nyin dingol la babul fo din saba bayo la muidi kema bandale muso kema bandale sanje fula saba ko manto muso e heart problem le soto muso nyanta kata Senegal jara role la anu muso damaro fongo baluwo dimbala baluwo ka koleyale bayol mil babul bringa contribution wage mparta nata faye ko mbe donation o nyin la nyiyele because momi nyanta kata fo Senegal al heart le problem o soto amanda wala nyanta ka balu wala fanenka na dingol ngombe donation o nyin la anada Alpha kendo nyin amanjar nga tofa ko nyako tumando batom bina soto lale ngay ko ablanga donation o nyina rek ndala natalo fango man sulo fangala fang because nta nyakoto ka nyinin ka natalo la wala proof o mu kudolde. So I just go ahead and raise phone for the lady. Musin ningo tata jara lola Senegal. Musin ningo e baluwo sodo. Musin ningo la jara lo kola fango ongoing phone bitakane. Despite nyandaka min soto gola soto tele already han wo mol milialongo they are yet to see the post biri nata eka donation okeji atata for 25,000 something like that. At that call ga hello nyine nata soto mol be continue ka neka contribution oke nga asenai nka last one wol fe before dembala nying aninga makoyro nyini dara dinningol mi yani mol miye asiyata man jaringe kontijang nda fango ka mol makoy mbuka kamana na pejo to jang nga college dinningol la attest e ka fa nyaadel attestation or something like that fee nga college fee jo student wolye milialon ko imanke na friend fang man dol fangolong inena maja na platform oto nga laptop sa university some students ye inena maja na page oto hani milialon ko faybe do kuwala Gambia dol ka reach out baluwala kuwala nke makoy inena maja na page oto inena maja nga fundraiser janin ka tama nan tubabdu nga man bodo san suwol kono nda fongo bukala wol kamine fongo tabi nyillunkar wala nyillunkar nkan dawlo bondi wandi suwol kono mi yalongo mbukala kamin tabi ya ndo to fole hani ndo fongo fole fam because bro so min fola amantara kamfa ka nyimbro la kamba ando amanke ko mbam fam fanan tandikan dembala nyim fundraising nte min contribute je follow moma contribute je momo e femfen dundi je dollars wala million. We are grateful, we are saying big thank you. Dembala nyim fundraising 13,000 ngole dundi je menum face fundraising na on TikTok live janin kana TikTok live watara comme bilo nga fundraising start wo somo nim ha season nata demba live pour ka fundraise demba janin ka fundraising start it was live mol bije goye nga 23,000 nesot already kununning o fundraising dula fongo nata 61,000 raise for demba nyaka funyoka bita 84,000 something like that. I wrote it on my Facebook, on my TikTok, on my Instagram. This is what we have raised for Demba in just 2 days. Let's make it to 100K. Also more. Keta tili sabanjamati walam kununti. Walam kuninti de. Demba la nyim project go is just 3 days. Bila keta 4 days in nyamati. Nko yal nga futandi 100. Tanna Facebook iba poster raji. Wilta mbije atata for 90 something 95. So kuda nko ko let's get this to 100 before morning. We get it to 100. And then I came back nga saferoga ko nga 100 raised Dembayel. Still it is ongoing. Be man did ma update DB. And after a milk donate, they don't even expect me to give that update because they trust me. Brombe kuma do fanam fole. And after the findeta, ngoko lafta donation olla, lafta kata dundi molle la kuoto, mammo tofo. And ngoko fundraising to help the needy, mammo keji, mammo ke pichoto. I'm going to raise the same amount or even more within 3 days. And I'm not bragging about that. It's not that ntelam. No. People have trust in me. Ala lewa people will lament kon. Boro feta fang isulata mako role level. Let me know. What is the problem? Mol buka mol mako no kairo kono. Ye femfen kata kake. There are people trying to bring something into that. Mina mol la problem woti. Dunia low man jamfa. Demba mol milba mako e kuoto. But ngambe say dandan tandal la jam. Ifelentin santo. Yamwe. 360 anyi say thank you Jacob Wall. Hani bi san fong. Janin ka jinne moto kono. Mbe nyin kacha min nan nanyin silo kan. Mo yen text akonye lunji male kata Gambia. Because lafta ka man boto sabale sang. And in some other stuffs. Puri ya samba nyola dembala family. Neka nyin kodo sambaji. Bro, nde video bondi jannan koko ntakata Gambia in 2 weeks time. Nim futata mbe nyin kodo dila dembala. Bro, hana tari hakilo le fango tete fango balo bala. Ni video ni post fango ete safero ke damen to fango to. Ni o jibi wada manyanta ke kono fale. E kon man dembala mol consult demba natale video kono. Din demba be kachakan mol be nyabal. Nga demba ngo demba e kon buka din ngo post fang ila parents wol malong han atare Quran wala karam most of the time. Din ngol bambul jamili ange ka wanya lafte Quran o kare post. I don't just post them. Ninga post at kala problem but I want ila parent soul ya kala muta because it's media. Then kata yale nka dinindol post. Nkata yale dinindol mbuke post. Ndafango dingo mbuka post. So nimba wandi dingo post la I want ila parent soul ya kala muta. Nga demba fama call. Amachika. Nga call a jena amachika. Demba kwa nyangana sister fana na number kramle. Inata se diamuno. Nga sister call nga explain dalam keba. Demba nga jele tenin nga mako ero nyini modoli so demba fana ala la kerek pour nga mako ero nyine so ngomba do nal alfale diam nga fama call ma soto ako ngete call sister na da fon dem problem ti nga na number safe wala nyama nga di dembala gambian number nga ni futata yendi fama la yan call ya explain ay fana nde birin data Gambia bro nde kari nkata Gambia every month 4 days ngole keje wala 3 days mina mola problem wodi bro mina muita fangola problem wodi mo 360 text because I video data akaya lafta ka dembala dara joni le sponsor hana la fa kurano tanka as long as ate niobe jika be seleka la fa ka demba sponsor le fo demba kurano tanka tubabo en safena kala fa demba sponsor le ite lafta le mo fami rende be tank le nyini kanji wala jayirlo fen kribit hello demba fama nyinni mola ka demba la school jole teninte. That is not how it works. Amangende ba ke ka wala kamba nan lungo min na nyanda kake ibo fanan jelale demba kodo jolle sodo demba mina keta demba la kuoro. You are going to see that, bro. Mol man bete ya mol ita min kelano ni mol ba ke ka molye swallow your pride. And I'm not looking for you to clap for me or say yo ya katale inya balele mol mil bebe njayika ika jalanka message yo nyum fango like despite I appreciate it and I pray for them too, but I don't want to have that spotlight ka click ka ketting ka oh thank you so much, it is a pleasure. I am not doing it for that, bro. I just want to help mol bije milya lonko na mobile ko no farin ne tep mol mil ka fa nyel lafte mako ero nyini dol mol bije milla sudwe suno wosta dembala sudwe suno nyala dola sudwe suno nyala dembala nyimu. He is living in luxury. I know people me and they are suffering, they also need help. Do you think we are doing this for like or for views or for name? We are not doing that, bro. And I hope you could learn something out of this.